Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix can't remove pin in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Accounts. Click Sign in Options. Turn off, for import security. Click Pin, click Remove. Type Windows password. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Accounts, click Sign in Options. Click Pin Windows Hello. Click Forgot my PIN. Create new PIN. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.